smell it.
Parsley. I hate that soy basil. That's because you bitches are too lazy to peel the garlic. Burley or burrata?
Burrata.
Burrata. Burrata.
Didn't open it.
I know, I gotta get the right ones. Oh,
Basil, parsley,
the
garlic.
basil. You gotta get the basil. I don't like that soy basil. It just,
You know what?
So then we'll go somewhere
it
else.
has a funny taste.
So we'll get it in
No,
the
then
neighborhood.
we'll have to go buy it in another store.
In
but
the neighborhood we'll go.
yeah. Let me see how much the whole case is. Oh, 25% off, I like it. That means this whole case is the price of 3 of them. Come on. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Basil! Wow! Come on. Oh boy, I smell pesto. Get a case of fresh tomatoes and make the sauce fresh.
Oh, yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Look how beautiful. This is gonna be some sauce.
Yeah.
Ah, mommy.
Yeah.
Roma tomatoes or what?
What?
Yeah, he's Roma tomatoes here.
Yeah, we can make it.
You alright?
We're in this one.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I left my glasses in the car and I can't see. The pork saw. You would never guess, right? $350. $350 later, and here it is, Sunday sauce. Everything you need, the chopped meat, the sausage, the olive oil, the cheese, the garlic, fresh tomatoes, a basilico, and parsley. Okay, to start our Sunday sauce, we're gonna cut some onions and garlic. I like the garlic whole, but I'll cut it. So you don't get too confused there at home. And now we're going to put our pot on high. Olive oil. Just so much. Let that get hot. And then we're going to fry our sausage. Okay? So now while the sausage are heating up in 2 separate bowls, uno, do it. We're going to have 2 different meatball mixes. Chopped meat. Chopped meat. One meatball to throw in the sauce and one meatball to fry inside the sauce. So 2 different mixes. turn the sausage because we don't want it to cook too much. This is a good old stream where we don't get grease all over the place. Done. Sausage are ready to be removed from the pot. But I know that they're really cooking. And we add it to a hot pot of oil. I'm all fancy, so I like everything with a wooden spoon. Now this is our next step to our fresh tomato sauce. We mash them after we cook them. Hi, Joda.
What's for dinner?
Sunday sauce.
Ooh.
We're just mashing the tomatoes
Yeah.
because we're going to throw it right now in the pot.
What do you got in there?
Onions and garlic and all the pork juice from the sausage.
Ooh. Wow. You're making a...
Went right in. Like a relationship.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay.
We're going to put a little salt.
You don't measure?
No measure.
And you don't use
This
like,
much.
you don't use like kosher or anything like that?
No, iodized. Red crust iodized. Not too much. We have fresh, unseasoned breadcrumb. I'd say that's enough. Cheese. Right here. Mamma mia. The more cheese, the merrier. Beautiful. Fresh parsley. It's about 3 heads. Fresh garlic. About that much. Maybe that much.
Okay.
Nice. Ah, look at that. Ah. That's Italian. And we're going to add more fresh ground Locatelli cheese to the fried meatball mix. Ah, we're going to split this up between the both of them. One there. One there.
Bottom right.
Like I said, nothing goes to waste.
Ah.
Mamma mia, look at that. Look at that. Some pepper in both of them. A little salt, just a tad. And I mean a tad. Ah, we forgot the egg. Now we're going to mix the meatballs that we're going to throw directly into the sauce. So that means you need extra egg. 2.5 pounds of chopped meat, we're going to put 6 eggs. One for good luck. That's a beautiful mix. Ah! This is the meatball mix that you fry. And you put less egg. Now look at the difference. These you don't roll so tight because you're going to fry these. Difference with fresh breadcrumb, cheese and everything, and extra egg. And these are deep fried meatballs. See the fresh bread, breadcrumb, egg. It's a complete different mix. A dropping of my balls.
Okay.
Everybody loves my meatballs. I hate a sauce that cooks for hours and hours and hours. The tomatoes are already cooked for hours. Once my balls float, they're ready. So we turn the gas on high on our big cast iron frying pan, which these are the best to fry anything in. We're gonna use olive oil. Filippo Barrio, the cheapest in Costco. What do you think? Yeah. Ah, buon appetito. This is not how we do it. This is how we do it. Not like that. Real Italiano. Buon appetito. Mwah. You want some pasta?
Hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.